Hey, Ming Tsai here. Welcome to an Instant with Chef Ming Tsai. We're gonna make a veggie tempura. That's right, a traditional Japanese tempura, but done in an air fryer, so we don't have to fry it. I'm so psyched to talk to you about what I think is the coolest air fryer on the market. It's the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer with ClearCook technology. You can actually see what you're air frying, and it will give you that crispiness you want from deep frying, but 95% less oil. It's a great machine. Get your favorite veg. Any veg works. The key, of course, is the rice flour batter. Big head of cauliflower. Obviously, there's a core in a cauliflower, right? So I want to decore it, which is done like this. Just take a big V, just take your fingers and just break them off like that. Big florets like that. And then I like to just cut the stem that way. And then when I break it, it breaks more easily. If they're too big, they're not gonna cook all the way through in the air fryer, all right? Peeled sweet potato, just in water so it doesn't oxidize. Here is key to do pretty thin, long slices. So out of safety, I take one first, and now it's flat. Because if I try to cut this way, it can roll around, you can cut yourself. So now I wanna do long, thin slices like that. Sweet potatoes take a while to cook, so if they're nice and thin like this, they will cook much more quickly, all right? We have some scallions here. I'm gonna take the white part. That's actually gonna go into the tempura batter, right? These white scallions have a nice, strong scallion flavor. And then we have the green we'll leave as garnish, all right? Rice flour. So this is gonna be a gluten-free tempura. We add all those scallion whites. We're gonna add some paprika. Paprika helps give it some color and a little bit of background spiciness, just like a teaspoon. A teaspoon of garlic powder, fresh cracked black pepper, just a little bit of salt. We are gonna salt it later. Soda water, club soda. More bubbly than mineral water. So this is a trick. In Japan, when you make traditional tempura, it's usually 1 egg with ice cold water. Here I find when you use club soda, it makes for a lighter batter because of the bubbles. So again, key here is you don't want too thick because that'll be too thick of a batter, and you also don't want too thin. Because we're air frying this, is I actually add some fat. I'm gonna add some extra virgin olive oil to this batter. 2 tablespoons, right? Not a ton. This will help get the batter cooked. We're good to go now. So we can take our sweet potatoes, our cauliflower, our broccolini, shiitakes into the air fryer. Check this out. All right, this has been preheating on 400. I go all the way. I just lay them in, guys. All right? I want to hear that little bit of sizzle because that means it was preheated. So here you can't pile it too much. You just got to do it in a couple rounds. Put it in for 15 minutes, guys. And I love it because check it out. Clear cook window. You can see when the tempura is crispy. This tempura is about 2 minutes away. Let's make a dipping sauce. You can't have tempura without dipping sauce. Grab some sweet chili. I like to add a little rice vinegar just to tone it down a little bit. And I like to add some heat. It can be this hot sauce. It can be your favorite hot sauce. There's lots of them out there. But sweet chili is nice and sweet. Vinegar is tart. This is spicy. Add a little bit of these scallions in. All right, check out this tempura gut. Oh, look at that. GB&D, like French fries, like anything, always season it. It's amazing how crispy this is. Sweet potato, shiitake. You guys hear that? Healthy, fried foods with no guilt. That's what we're talking about, guys. Veggie tempura, the sweet chili dipping sauce. Let's give it a dip. I'm amazed how crispy it gets on our Instant Vortex Plus. It is so good. Yes, I just double dip, but I'm by myself. Guilt-free tempura. You gotta try this. As always, peace and good eating.